Welcome! In today's video, we're going to learn how to clear your search history on Facebook. If you've been searching for various friends, pages, or posts, and want to declutter your search history for privacy or simply to start fresh, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps to easily remove those past searches from your Facebook app. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your news feed, filled with updates from friends and pages you follow. But right now, we need to focus on clearing that search history. Next, tap the search icon located at the top right of the screen. This will bring up your recent searches, showing you everything you've looked for on Facebook. It's a useful feature, but sometimes you just want to wipe it clean. Now, next to Recent, you'll see an option that says See All. Go ahead and tap that. This action will take you to a complete list of your search history, providing a clear view of everything you've recently searched for. Once you're in the complete list, look for the Clear All option at the top right of the screen. Tap on this, and it will prepare to clear your entire search history in one go. Finally, confirm your step. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear your search history. Just hit Confirm, and just like that, your search history is gone, giving you a fresh start on Facebook. That's all there is to it. You've successfully cleared your search history on Facebook. Enjoy a more organized experience while using the app, free from any old searches.